Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about feed wagon prep for the winter of 2022-2023. So pretty soon guys are going to be pulling their wagons out to start feeding their cows. Of course, there's lots of guys that feed their cows every day on the dairies and the feedlots, but just some quick things to check over. So first thing, go to your wheel hubs and check. There's a sight glass in there to check to make sure they have enough oil in them. Maybe jack them up and get your hands onto the wheel and wiggle it to make sure that the bearings are tight. If not, adjust them. And of course, if they're low on oil, add oil. Check for leaking seals because that does happen. As we move forward, take your conveyor and check the tension on it. Every type of conveyor is a little bit different. So rather than go through the specs on each one, go to your book, find the specs for whether you have a dog leg or a flat or a hydraulic folding, follow the book and adjust it accordingly. We'll move around to this side. Check your U-joints on your PTO, grease everything up nice, make sure that your CV is moving nice and freely. Check the steady bearing up on the front and give it some grease. And then as we move around to the side here, you can see where that conveyor chain tension is. And again, follow the book. Check all of your load cells to make sure that they're all free. And then just give a quick visual check to the wiring on there in case a mouse or a rabbit or something decided to chew on some of that through the summertime. And then again, the other wheel. And the last thing to check is make sure that your oil levels are correct. Pretty easy, cold oil level, fill to that line, and then climb underneath the machine and make sure that those planetaries aren't leaking if that oil level is maybe off. But just have a quick check. And then again, all of your bolts, have a look inside your tub to make sure that your knives are good and the bolts are all snug there. And usually you can just do a quick visual on that. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.